Hello traders, welcome to the new trade breakdown video, and in this video I will explain all these entries, and there is lots of knowledge you have to know. If you are new to this channel, you can see this master playlist for the complete understanding of my strategy. And let's start the today's trade breakdown. Let's cut here to the 9 p.m. I trade usually from the 9 p.m. to the 11:45 a.m. New York time. So yeah, let's mark the market structure. And as you can see, there is a fresh market structure break to the upside, and you can see this is the apex level. I already teach you everything about how to mark zone and how to mark the market structure. You can watch my previous strategy video. And this is the resistance become support level. And yeah, you can see this level is already broken here, and market reached to our apex level. And after that I went to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute, you can see there is the entry confirmation, but we can see in the 5-minute there is a fresh 5-minute fair value gap. We have to wait either this fair value gap to complete its work. It has to sweep the low, or it has to close above the fair value gap. So let's wait for the 5-minute fair value gap. You can see 5-minute fair value gap done its work, so we don't have to worry about this 5-minute fair value gap now. Let's wait for the entry confirmation, which is bullish. You can see this is the 2 entry confirmation that I use. For currently I am using the inverse fair value gap entry confirmation. You can directly source from the trading view. And let's take the trade here. You can see there is the inverse fair value gap here, and let's target 1:3 ARA. Let's see. It was like this, and it hit the 1:3 ARA. Let's see another trade on the 15-minute time frame. You can see there is the valid retestment to the downside, and we got the swing high here. Let's wait, and you can see there is the resistance becomes support level, and this level becomes the apex level for now. And let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, you can see, yeah, 5-minute fair value gap is also closed here, and it formed the inverse fair value gap. Our entry is at this level, and it took my SL, you can see like this, and it again formed the entry here, and our SL at this level. And let's just put this SL here, and another trade at this level, and then you can see there is no any opposing fair value gap on 5-minute or 15-minute also. And let's see how it goes. Can see it went up to 1:1.1, but our break-even point is 1:1.5, and also we have to close this trade if it break this zone on the 15-minute time frame. You can see this 15-minute candle close this zone. You can see here this 15-minute candle close this zone, so we have to cut this trade on the break even. This zone is not valid because this zone is already broken, so this is the break even trade. This is the valid retracement. This is the valid retracement, and this high is broken by this green candle. So let's just mark this and this, and you can see this is the apex level, but in this retracement this is the highest high, so just mark this high, and this inside this big zone, this is also included, and also this zone included here, and also this support become resistance level. So let's see, You can see there is the retracement to the zone, and after that it formed the and there is the something important I should explain you. You can see here when the market retests into our support become resistance area, and it formed the inverse fair value gap here. It formed the inverse fair value gap, and this can be our trade. But if you see on the 5-minute time frame, there is the fresh 5-minute fair value gap, and it's rejecting from this fair value gap. So we have to either this fair value gap to close, or it has to sweep the liquidity of the above. So this is not the valid trade. After that, we can see this fair value gap is not fresh here, so we do not have to worry about this 5-minute fair value gap. Let's wait for the another black candle formation, which is the inverse fair value gap. Here we got the inverse fair value gap, and after that we got the trade like this. You can see it perfectly give 1:3 RR. Because of some slippage, I able to catch the 1:4 RR, because at that time I did not put my TP, so I got some extra profit about 1%. So yeah, this is the trade up to here. Now let me explain you another trade. And there is the level, you can see like this, but market did not tap into this level here. If market will tap at this level, then there can be the another sell trade like this, but unfortunately did not tap into this level. But if you see, if we see on the 15-minute time frame, there is the market structure, but we do not take the market structure from this kind of level. So yeah, let's just mark this, and you can see this is the perfect retracement, and this is the support become resistance level, and this is the apex level. So let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, you can see market from the inverse fair value gap here, and then it gives trade here, and break-even point is at this 1:5 level, and it gave perfectly break-even, and after that it went down for some point, and this was our TP. Unfortunately, it did not hit my TP. It went up to 1:2.5, and after that it retraced back to our break-even point. Yeah, this is the trade. If you like this kind of trade breakdown, you can like this video and comment on this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel also. And if you want to live discussion, you can also join the Discord. Link is from here, and you can also join the Telegram. Thank you so much for watching till then, and see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.